how to delete screen time data from iPhone. So first, what you want to do is just open up your settings, then scroll down till you see screen time. So as you can see, I have my screen time right here. So you can't currently delete the data that you have right now, but once you turn this off, all of the data will be reset, and when you turn it on, it will go back to 0. So as you can see, I have mine just like that right here. And if you scroll down to the very bottom of this section, so when you go to screen time, you're going to scroll down to the very bottom, you will see turn off app and website activity. Just simply tap on that, then turn off app and website activity. As you can see, the screen time will be gone, and when I turn it back on right here, now the data will be gone and it will be reset back to 0, just like so. That's basically how you delete screen time data from iPhone.